Hey man, it's your boy Agent Uno. You know I'm back with another video. Hey look, now I know it's been a little minute. I've been waiting on my shit, man. I've been ordering stuff and I'm ready to get boogie, but we got something special today. As you see, we ready to throw on some big boys. Now the color ain't really what I expected. I thought it was gonna be more of a royal blue, but this is the color right here. Big boy. Oh, let me get a little echo. Echo. Oh, it ain't really as loud as I. Yo, there you go. Yo, fam, y'all can use this hoe as a megaphone respectfully. But you already know we about to poly and go crazy on this motherfucker. No cap. Respectfully. Hold that bit 5-inch right there, motherfucker. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But you hear me, we ready to go. I'm gonna show you how to put them hoes on. With the charger, it's pretty easy. It's pretty much just clamps. You just unscrew them off and put that other one back on that motherfucker. Screw that bitch back on. We about to get with it. So basically what you wanna do, you wanna jack the car up a little bit. You're gonna get under the car and your bolt is literally right here. You wanna unlatch that bolt, pull the exhaust out, replace the exhaust, clamp it back down. Make sure the clamp is super secure so you won't have any leaks. So you'll pretty much take a 13 socket wrench. Pull that bolt off. It's on there pretty tight, so you might gotta like kind of really rip on the exhaust to get it off. It's gonna be a little hard because it's on there pretty securely, to be honest with you. And we put it off. So don't underestimate how much force you gotta use to kind of take this off. Let me bring y'all here a little bit. I want to show y'all the difference in the exhaust tips. This one can pretty much fit inside of that one. That's a big difference right there in the exhaust tips. All you gotta do is really plug and play. So you kind of gotta, let me get a different angle. Kind of gotta fit it on there. This is gonna be the tedious part, trying to. You got to use brute force pretty much. Yeah, she's coming together pretty well though. So I'm gonna push this on there and I'll pick y'all up when I'm ready to clamp it down. So pretty much when you get it where you want it at, you can go ahead and bolt it down. Make sure it's secured. She's pretty secured. Yep, she's pretty secured. Oh, that thing looks nice too. Look at the presentation. So pretty much you want to do the same thing on both sides. Like I said, it's not going to be a long video, but pretty much you want to do the same thing on both sides. Just make sure it's secured and you want it, whether you want it touching the diffuser or having a little gap, unless you want to have it to the left or a little bit or to the right. That's all up to you. So I just showed y'all how to do it. I'm pretty much going to center it how I want it now, and I'll pick y'all up after I got both installed. I really want to thank Dodge for the easy install. Took like like 10-15 minutes for real, nothing crazy. Now we about to do the crank test. About to go ahead and crank her up, see how she sound. Let's keep it real. I don't know how much of a difference the sound made, but I know for sure it make my car stand out. It make my car stand out. I love it. The next piece I'm gonna try to replace to make like a blue color is above the license plate. The light above the license plate in the back. I'm gonna try to find a blue light for that. So I'm really about to get active. Like, I got a couple more projects in the future for you guys. So we really about to get active. Let me pick y'all up, man, because we really about to get active. Look, I got a few more. I'm waiting on a few more shipments. I got a couple more projects, man. Then we gonna hit the open road a couple times. Show y'all some on the road stuff. I'm becoming a big fan of my project, man. I got this RT just for YouTube, basically, because I want to get to a point that YouTube will start paying for everything I do with my RT and show the world that, you know, it's possible for just anybody like me just to go out and buy an RT, have fun with your car, make a car part of your living. I appreciate all y'all for 100 subscribers. Please take the time to like, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100. I said 100,000 to be a blessing. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of December. So can y'all take the time, please? Hit the sub button, comment what you want to see, comment some ideas, and just leave a like on the video, man, so the algorithm can, you know, find the other people that got RTs, Dodge Chargers. My blacktop is coming along well, man. Like, it's a little dirty right now because I work at a construction site. But I think I got like 2 more projects to do within a couple days. No, it's like 3 or 4. And I'll show y'all that in the future, man. Agent Uno, Agent Gang, I love y'all boys. I'm out.